How do you turn a simple circle into a cute cartoon character in just a few minutes? Stick around till the end. Not only will you build a character from scratch, you'll also pick up a lot of important techniques along the way. Before we jump in, a huge thank you to our Patreon and YouTube supporters. You are the backbone of this channel. If you'd like to join and support us, all the links are in the description. Your name could be in the next video's credits. We start by setting the fill color and stroke color for the main body of our character. Since I'm going for a character with a bold, thick outline, I also set the stroke weight at this stage. Then I grab the Ellipse tool from the left toolbar and draw the circle. Next, I switch to the pencil tool and draw the eyes using the same stroke weight. The ends of the lines are too sharp for the character I have in mind, so I go into the settings and route off the tips. Then I duplicate the eye to create the second one, position it, and hold Shift to select both eyes together and adjust their placement. Now we'll draw the mouth, arms, legs, hair, and other details using the pencil tool. I draw the mouth first, then use the direct selection tool to round off any sharp corners and set the fill color. Then I switch back to the pencil tool and draw the tongue to give the character some fun personality. For the teeth, I use the Draw Inside tool to keep everything contained within the mouth. No overflow, no cleanup needed. This tool is a massive time saver, and we'll use it again for the tongue color, tongue shadow, and the body shadow as well. By the way, our Patreon supporters already had access to this character's full project file in the Patreon shop a few days before this video went live, and they also got early access to this video itself. If you'd like to enjoy those kinds of perks, early access to videos, exclusive vector and icon packs, project files, premium content, and more, just head to the link in the description, pick a plan that fits your budget, and join the family. After finishing the teeth and tongue details, I draw a simple rounded arm shape that will actually serve triple duty. It'll be used for the arms, the legs, and the hair as well. I draw one arm with the pencil tool, set the color to match the body, then duplicate it as many times as needed and position each one accordingly. If anything in this video wasn't clear, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and let me know. I'm constantly working on high-quality tutorials, useful shorts, and premium vector and icon packs for our Patreon supporters. And because of that, there are times when I'm editing under a lot of time pressure and may rush through certain details or miss something important. For example, the original footage for this video was 25 minutes long. To keep it engaging and easy to follow, I cut out the repetitive parts, zoomed in on the key moments, and trimmed it down to what you just watched. But in doing that, it's possible I skipped over something that you found interesting or unclear. So if that happened, write it in the comments and ask. I read and reply to every single comment. If you have any suggestions as well, I'd love to hear them. And if this video helped you, please give it a like. It means more than you know. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join the channel. I work every single day to bring you better and more useful content. Thank you to everyone who watched all the way to the end. It truly means a lot. I hope this video was helpful for every single one of you. Don't forget to check out the shorts section of the channel as well. I post quick videos there regularly covering time-saving shortcuts, essential tools, and some really exciting things you can do with the latest AI tools, all in just a few seconds. Your support is also crucial in helping us reach 100,000 subscribers. Every like, every comment, every subscription brings us one step closer. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, take care and see you soon.